Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Peacock login issues, password and access errors step by step clearly. First, check that your internet connection is working by opening any website or another streaming app. If the internet is unstable, restart your modem or router and wait 2 minutes before trying again. Next, confirm you are using the correct Peacock app or the official peacocktv.com website to avoid fake pages. Type your email and password carefully, and make sure caps lock is turned off on your keyboard. If you use autofill, delete the saved Peacock password and type it manually once to rule out wrong saved data. Tap or click Forgot Password and request a reset link to the email you use for Peacock. Open the reset email and create a new password that is long, unique, and includes letters and numbers. If the reset email does not arrive, check spam, promotions, or junk folders and search for Peacock. If you still do not receive it, wait 10 minutes and request the reset again only once to avoid delays. Make sure you are signing in with the same method you originally used, like email, Google, Apple, or a TV provider. If you used Google or Apple before, choose that login button instead of typing an email password. On a phone or tablet, force close the Peacock app and reopen it to refresh the login screen. Then update the Peacock app from the App Store or Google Play to fix known sign-in bugs. Clear the app cache on Android in Settings, Apps, Peacock, Storage, then clear cache. On iPhone, uninstall the app and reinstall it to clear temporary data if issues continue. On a web browser, clear cookies and site data for Peacock, then restart the browser. Try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari to check if the problem is browser-specific. Disable VPN or proxy services because Peacock can block logins from restricted locations. Check your device's date and time settings and set them to automatic to prevent security errors. If you see an access or entitlement error, confirm your subscription is active in your Peacock account settings. If you subscribe through Apple, Google, Roku, or Amazon, verify the subscription is active in that platform's billing page. Log out of Peacock on all devices if possible, then sign in again on only one device first. Restart the device you are using, because a fresh reboot can fix stuck authentication sessions. If you are on a smart TV or streaming stick, remove the Peacock app, reinstall it, and sign in again. If you get too many attempts, stop trying for 15 to 30 minutes to let the security lock reset. Check Peacock's service status online to see if there is an outage causing login failures. If nothing works, contact Peacock support and provide your email, device model, and the exact error message. Keep a screenshot of the error and note the time it happened to speed up support troubleshooting. Subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss more quick fixes like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.